One of the 7 that will be under the throne of Allah on the day when there is no shade except His shade is who? The Prophet of Allah, he says, the man whose left hand doesn't know what his right hand gave in charity. It was in secret. It was between him and Allah. Why is this important? Always renew your intention. And before you do any action in deen, ask yourself, why am I doing this? One of the scholars, he says, whenever someone used to knock my door, imagine, the scholar says, whenever someone would knock my door, from the time I got up to the time I went to open it, I would have made 70 different intentions in my heart. So always renew your intention, my brothers. Sometimes you could do a very small action, but if you couple it with a large intention, then it's become beautified. And the opposite is true. You could do the greatest action, but the very small intention or nothing altogether, it becomes zero in the eyes of Allah. So please, my brothers, always renew your intention and always be conscious about this.